interest in hiking. Hiking is an adventurous outdoor activity that requires careful planning and mathematical calculations. From measuring distances to calculating elevation gain, math ensures a safe and enjoyable hiking experience. Let's explore the role of math in hiking. Hiking uses math in distance and speed calculations. Hikers use math to estimate how long a trail will take by dividing the total distance by their average walking speed. For example, if a trail is 10 kilometers long and a hiker walks at 5 kilometers per hour, the estimated hiking time is 2 hours. Elevation gain and slope measurement. The steepness of a trail is calculated using elevation gain and slope percentage. If a trail ascends 500 meters over a 5-kilometer distance, the slope percentage is determined using the formula. Slope equals elevation gain horizontal distance x 100. A steeper slope requires more effort and time to hike. Map reading and navigation. Topographic maps use contour lines to represent elevation, and hikers use scale ratios to measure distances. For example, a map with a scale of 1/50,000 means that 1 centimeter on the map represents 500 meters in reality. Calories burned and hydration needs. Hikers estimate calorie expenditure using mathematical formulas based on weight, speed, and terrain difficulty. Similarly, hydration calculations ensure that hikers carry enough water for the journey. Packing and weight distribution. Proper weight distribution in a backpack follows mathematical principles to ensure balance and reduce strain. The ideal packing method involves placing heavier items close to the center of gravity to maintain stability. Mathematical principles applied, speed, distance, and time calculations help in estimating hiking duration. Elevation and slope formulas determine trail difficulty. Scale and proportion in maps assist in navigation. Caloric and hydration equations ensure proper energy and water intake. Weight distribution and balance improve stability and comfort. From planning the route to navigating through rugged terrains, mathematics is an essential tool that enhances both the safety and enjoyment of hiking adventures.